Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Ramirez from BSIT2A. In this discussion, we'll talk about information systems and information management. These topics are very important because almost every organization depends on data and information to function. I will explain what an information system is, how data is classified, the goals and challenges of information management, and the tools we use to make it all work. Data refers to raw or unorganized facts like numbers, letters, images, sounds, or symbols. On its own, data might not have meaning, but once processed, it becomes information. Why is this important? Because everything we do online or at work produces data, filling up forms, taking pictures, recording audio, and making movies. We classify data into two main types. The first is structured data. This is organized and stored in a clear format like databases and spreadsheets. These are easy or computers to process. The second one is the unstructured data. This is not organized like forms, image, audio files, and videos. These are harder to process but contain valuable insights. Data is growing fast because of faster networks, cheaper storage, and more powerful computers. The goals of information management. First is supplying work and business processes with the right information at the right time. Second is improving and speeding up processes through better use of information. Third is creating a competitive advantage. Companies that use information can beat their competitors. The fourth is efficient use of the organization's information assets. And the last one is reducing unnecessary complexity and preventing information overload. All of these goals ensure that the organization can work smarter, not harder. The key challenges in information management. The first is exploding digital universe. Data is growing so fast, it's hard to restore and organize everything. The second one is increasing dependency. Businesses can function without information, so it's risky if system fail. The last is changing value of information. What's valuable today might not be valuable tomorrow. This means organizations must constantly review and update their information system. Tools and elements of information management. Organizations use many tools to handle information. Email and instant messaging for fast communication. Electronic publishing for online reports, newsletters, and product sheets. Databases to store and manage large amount of information securely. There are also three key elements of information management. First is traditional document acquisitions and organization. Second is development of technology to handle information better. And the third is application of information concepts to improve planning, marketing, and resource management. The next is the benefits of information management. When managed well, information brings huge benefits. Better utilization of data, simpler management and easier backup, maintaining compliance with law, and lower cost of ownership because systems are more efficient. This means more productivity at less cost. Tools of information management. There are also specialized tools such as information audits, like a checkup for your information systems to ensure they meet standards. Next is information mapping. Organizing and presenting materials clearly for learning and reference. Communication audits. Checking how well communication flows inside the organization and with customers. These tools help organization maintain accuracy, clarity, and effectiveness in, and handling their information. Again, information systems and information management work hand in hand. They turn raw data into meaningful information, improve processes, reduce costs, and help organizations gain an edge. By understanding the goals, challenges, and tools of information management, we can make better decisions and be more competitive in today's digital world. Thank you for listening.